Hello, today's tutorial is to show you a sample program from isCOBOL 2014 R1 that demonstrates how to use a GUI push button control. This is the main samples program. From the Controls tab, I am going to select the push button sample and run it here. You can see I have three push buttons defined. The exit push button and disable are simple push buttons, and the first one is rather interesting because it uses a bitmap with different strips, one for every different state of the push button: the normal state, the rollover state, the click state, and also the disable state. Let me show you now the source code for this sample program. I am going to reposition the code viewer here, resize it a bit, and now you can see in the screen section we have defined a main screen with the three push buttons. The last two, the simple ones, use exception values 27 for exit and 100 for the disable function. And the first push button is the one using a bitmap handle with different strip numbers for every different state. Now in the procedure division you can see how we are loading the GIF with the icons with this library routine, how we display a graphical window where we are going to display and accept the main screen until the exit push button is pressed, and how we are handling the exception 100 to enable disable the first push button, and the change from one icon to another in the push button happens automatically with just defining these different strip numbers in the definition. Let me show you now how to run this same sample on the isCOBOL IDE. I will open the isCOBOL IDE. I will create a new source file. The name for this new source file, pushbutton.cbl. I click enter, and now I have this initial skeleton here. I am going to replace that skeleton with the code I have here. Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy paste. Open the IDE again, Ctrl A to select, Ctrl V to paste, and I am going to save this program, compile it. You can see the result is a clean compile. I click OK, and now I am going to run this program as an isCOBOL application, and here we are. The very same sample is now being run from the isCOBOL IDE. And this is how easy it is to use the GUI control, specifically the push button control, with isCOBOL 2014 R1. Thank you.